Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the SNAPBACK dog TikTok filter. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the Discover tab that has that little magnifying glass above it and click on Discover. That will open up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to go to the top of the page where it says search, click on your search bar, and type in SNAPBACK dog filter, all one word with no spaces. That's going to bring up a list of videos that say they use the SNAPBACK dog filter. However, I did find that the very first video on the left here does not use it. Go ahead and scroll through and find one that does use it. This second one here, I've checked, does use it. You can see the SNAPBACK dog icon right at the bottom left-hand side of the screen, little magic wand next to it. Go ahead and click on that icon. That's going to open up a page that looks like this, where you can go right underneath where it says SNAPBACK dog. Go ahead and click on Add to Favorites. Now it has been added to your favorites. You can start filming a TikTok video by pressing the camera icon down at the bottom center of the screen. That will use the SNAPBACK dog effect. If you want to save it for later and film later, just use the back arrows to back out. Return to where you were on the Discover tab, and then you can go down where it says Me, bottom right hand corner, click on Me. That's going to open up your account page where you can go right to the right hand side of where it says Edit Profile, the little bookmark icon. Click on that bookmark icon. Swipe all the way to the right to where it says Effects, click on Effects. And here you can see your filter right there at the top, SNAPBACK dog. Go ahead and click on SNAPBACK dog. And that will bring you back to the same page where you can, of course, press the camera icon to start filming your TikTok video with the SNAPBACK dog filter. After that, you can post, share. I hope this video helped you out on how to get the SNAPBACK dog filter from TikTok. If it did, smash that like button and consider subscribing if we talk about this sort of thing often. Thanks for watching. Take care.